The designer team created is Focus Buddy. It's for the theme of productivity. So what does it do? Have you ever found yourself gazing off while trying to finish work on your computer? Have you ever struggled with a short attention span that affects your productivity levels? Focus Buddy is here to help. This program allows the user to pick specific time intervals for how long they'd like to study and how long they'd like their breaks. While studying, the program detects if the user is looking away from their screen and tells them to get back on task. The user also has an option to choose what they would like to do during their break. For example, if the user wants to play a game, the program automatically boots it up once the break starts and shuts it off once the break ends. The user can also enter a browser link to access on their break. The project started with idea generation and brainstorming with the group. The decided solution was broken into subproblems and assigned to each member, such as eye tracking, setting up a timer, being able to open a program or link during specified times, blocking certain websites, and creating the user interface. Each member worked on the parts separately, then all the parts were combined on one member's computer. The eye tracking was done with the gaze tracking project on GitHub, and tkinter was used for the user interface. All the code was done in Python. Did we face any challenges? Well, yes. The main challenge that our team had to face was correlated with the eye tracking software that was used. It was difficult to set up the program to detect whether the user's eyes were actually looking at the screen. This challenge was resolved through trial and error until we finally got to the code that can perfectly detect where the user's looking. Now we're going to put the program in action.
Alright, so say I was working on my assignment. I'd first boot up Focus Buddy. I want to study for 1 minute, and I'm going to break for 1 minute. Then I'm going to give it a YouTube link. I'm going to press enter, and when I do that, it's going to open my webcam, and start recording whether I'm focused or not. If it sees that I'm not focusing for a certain amount of frames, it will alarm me and let me know I need to get back on task. So I'm working, and then I'm looking off, and it lets me know I need to get
on task.
Get back on task. And then I can return to working. And in just a few seconds, it's going to boot up a YouTube page because I'll be on my break. And now it's running my website, and I can get on with my break. Thank you, Focus Buddy.
Thank you for watching.